This video looks at creating documents in InDesign, choosing the facing pages option and what that looks like in the pages menu. Okay, to start off with, what we're going to do is we're going to create a new document. We're going to go File, New, Document, and for the time being we're going to concentrate on a print document rather than web or digital publishing. Okay, so a print document is going to be suitable for printing or creating a PDF. Okay, so in this particular case we want an A4 page for this tutorial, and we want this to be landscape. Okay, to start off with, I'm going to have facing pages ticked. So when we create the document, you will see how this affects the layout of the page menu. So I'm going to go OK here. Okay, so here we have our landscape A4 page. I'm going to go over to the pages menu. We have the Essentials menu option selected, so that gives us a couple of defaults as far as the menus go. And then I'm going to drag out some pages from a master. Okay, so we'll make this an 8-page booklet. There we go. Okay, so because we had facing pages selected, what's happening is that the pages are selected as spreads. Okay, this helps us when we view the document, because it means that we can see how a document might be printed, where we see the spreads. But if it came to printing it, then it would be paginated, where page 2 would be with page 7. A bit like a newspaper when you take a newspaper apart. Okay, so to highlight the difference between spreads and not having spreads, I'll create a different type of document. So we're going to close this one. I'm going to go File, New, Document again. We're not going to select facing pages this time. We still want the document to be for print, an A4, and we want it so it's landscape, but this time we don't want facing pages. I'm going to go OK. So you can see that the pages menu looks different. So if I go to a master again, this time we're just going to drag out another 2 pages. You can see that because they're not facing pages, they're treated as individual pages. Okay, so in this case what we're going to do is going to set up a slideshow, so we don't need facing pages in this particular example. This video has been set up to highlight the differences. So sometimes you may inadvertently select one or the other, and it's useful to know what the difference is when you look at this in the menu.